up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you a real cool experiment. Three people separating. We're going to be using it's isopropyl alcohol. You see that it's 70%. We're going to be using vegetable oil and just some. Let's see if they can separate. We're going to use this drinking glass right here. Check it out. You see? Now what pour a little bit of alcohol on it. Whoa! Check this out. They actually do separate. You see that? I'm gonna get a close up. That is so cool. Thumbs up for that. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that experiment. That was so cool. I could actually separate. From the moment I thought it was gonna mix together, but it doesn't. I mean, here, let me let the camera up a little closer so you can see. It's so cool. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time, and peace out.